What happens when we don't follow the rules? My daughter Noor turned 5 years old, and because of how good she was doing in school and things, we decided we were gonna reward her by getting her a power wheel. It was amazing. One day, after Kothar had charged it, instead of it going vroom, it went grr, 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 grr. That maybe is a problem. She called me. I did the only thing that I thought I could do. I went to the instruction manual. I discovered that we made a mistake. We charged it for 3 days. It says if you charge it for 3 days or more than 3 hours, the battery can degrade. That means that the battery won't hold up. It can stop working. The Qur'an is our rule book for life. And when we follow it, that's how we can make sure our life turns out as best as possible. What happens when we don't follow the rules? Adian from Elgin says, when we don't follow the rules, something bad happens. Yara says it's very shameful and there are consequences, mostly bad. Faryal from New Jersey says you get consequences. Zayn family says things don't work out the way you want because rules are there for a reason. Thank you boys for cooking today, says mom. MashaAllah, this tastes just like your mom's lasagna. We followed the recipe so we were able to make it just right. And Amin says, I'm gonna follow Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's recipe for the best way to live my life. How is the Quran similar to a recipe book?
Because if you listen to it and do it just right, you get the best.
If you make lasagna and it doesn't turn out well, it's not the end of the world. You can just make another lasagna. If you get a Power Wheels and you don't follow the directions, it's not the end of the world. You can just get another Power Wheels. But you guys, we only get one chance to be a human being. And if we don't follow the rules that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has told us, if we don't even look at the recipe book, if we don't even look at the Quran, we could make a serious mistake.
Today we're going to be making baklava. Baklava is made from very thin phyllo sheets, and baklava is very popular around the whole Muslim world. So do you want to make the regular baklavas?
No, I want to spice it up a little bit.
American phyllo sundae cups.
That sounds great.
Awesome, let's get started. So I have 1 piece of phyllo dough here. We're going to take some melted butter and we're gonna paint our phyllo sheets. We're gonna paint it just like this. You wanna take 2 ends and we're just going to bring it together just like this. We're just gonna loosely make a circle, just like that. You can get these cups. We're gonna just plop it in there. Then what I want you to do is I want you to take the corners and bring them up just a little bit. Perfect.
This side
Perfect.
is
Yes.
a little bit
No, you're fine. This is perfect. Now we're just gonna take our brush and we're just going to spread it just a little bit. So we're gonna take these and we're gonna stick them in the oven. We got these out of the oven. Now, once they're completely cooled, what we're going to do is we're gonna be drizzling it with some honey. Give it a very light drizzle. We're gonna assemble the sundaes. First thing I'm gonna do is use my green pistachios. Love pistachios.
I'll do some sprinkles.
Okay. Okay, I think I added a little bit too much on there. Gummy candy on there. Some more sprinkles. Some M&Ms. Some pistachios. Here. Okay. What do you think, Amina?
It's really good.
I think it's super duper delicious.
Me too.
We made American baklava sundaes and they turned out absolutely amazing. Now, let's wait and see you guys do it and then let us know how they turned out.